live, guys. Hi. How is everyone tonight? On another night as we start our bull run. The bull run to the run, okay? Final countdown. Definitely the bull run heading into this exciting season. This exciting season of the bull Bitcoin cycle have been coming up. It looks like the S&P has broken out and is now going back into bull market. NASDAQ, Dow are following suit, but I urge caution now. However, it is time to be more positive. It is time. Hey, greetings, peoples of the earth. Those of you who can follow my TikTok. Okay, guys, so it is really time, but I just urge you some caution here. And I'm going to meet my students tomorrow night to urge them more caution. But in all this caution, I just want to tell you that this bull cycle has already started. And in the next few months, we are definitely going to put ourselves in position again to prepare for the next up and coming bull run. There is my nice. This, right? There's my nice, this, guys. There's my nice TikTok. Just follow and subscribe to my TikTok. I will definitely put in more content. One of the TikToks I kind of update every day. That is for the IPOs. That's in Malay, but even if you don't know Malay, you can subscribe for that. Now, the other TikTok on the other and I'm going to update even more. That's going to be an English TikTok. And for that, that's going to be more on cryptocurrencies and all that. So we'll definitely see a lot of updates there, guys. So again, let's go see this again, our most exciting thing, okay? Let me change the screen here. It is time to change the screen. Where is the Brave browser? There it is. Okay, let's go see how this are happening now. What's happening? What's up? And not only that, but what I'm going to do is that for every session like this, for every weekly updates like this, what I am going to do is literally basically go in and actually summarize my key points into TikTok. So I will put it on the TikTok. You see down there, Crypto Vader X_OE. And the rest will go under the Malay content, will go under Sensation Create. So just subscribe to both of those. I want to update as much as possible because that's also the plan to make a lot of money in crypto, right? Yeah, the plan is to update my TikTok, and updating my TikTok will be making me a lot of money in the future. And a lot of my students, you'll see the formula this weekend. But again, we're going to meet tomorrow night. But before we go there, hey, what do we say? What do you say? We always go through this funny thing called this, right? Let's see here. S&P 500, Fear and Greed Index. Where are you? And then we're going to see and then you will see what I feel about this. I don't feel that good. I feel good. Hey, guys, I feel good that we are entering a bull market. Of course, what am I saying? But, and I'll explain to you the buts. And I will also put this content into talk, actually 1 to 1.5 minutes only. So in entirety, you will understand. And Bitcoin Fear and Greed Index. Okay, let's go that Fear and Greed Index because we should see this. We should always see this. Bitcoin Fear and Greed Index here. Okay, let's go and see Crypto Fear and Greed Index here. Let me bring up my other things here. Yeah, we'll see how I feel about all of this. Let me get this up together first. Let me put it here. Oh, let's see here. Yep, here. Yeah, let's put it here. Yeah, I got this out already. You know, I got some charts here, including of Bitcoin and Bitcoin and also the S&P. Let's bring it out, okay, so that you can see how this, with my thinking on what's going to happen. Let's see the overall market here first, and then we can go to my favorite market next week, which is, of course, now the Bitcoin market. You got to be trusted in the Bitcoin market, right? I think it is really doing extremely well now. Let me get you this important chart here, which shows you, whoa, S&P 500. Okay, guys, let's go. Let's take a trip on the moon now. Let's go here and here index. Okay, here is the S&P 500. It looks good. It looks, this tells me something. It tells me that we still have room to run. Because as I've said, I only get my warning signals coming up toing, 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 whenever we are in the zone, right? Whenever we are in the extreme greed zone here. So obviously here for this, just going to draw this for you on my new computer. You guys know that I have a new computer, right? Let me see this. I'm going to draw this here. Obviously from here, you do know that we have room to run here. Okay. Now let's go and see Bitcoin now. Just top-down analysis first. What's happening to you, Bitcoin? Can you go back up to 32? And we'll see more of Bitcoin next week. Okay. But I just want to go get by the S&P first here. Why doesn't it show here? So let's see fear and greed Bitcoin. And greed Bitcoin. Because Bitcoin drives the entire market. Where are we now? Are we in extreme greed? Are we in greed? Oh, we're neutral. We're neutral. This is good. That means we still have time to run. We still have a couple of more cycles to run. But until when? That's the other issue, right? Until when? So let's go and see now fear and greed here. So one is going to be overstretched. One is like, okay, taking its time, showing that, hey, it can go higher. It can go much, much higher. That's good. So can people get into this? Can people start getting into whatever? Well, let's see. Let's see, guys. Let's see. What can it do now? I'm curious now. So again, you look at Bitcoin now. Yes, we have crossed 2722. Ethereum is back above 1.9K. It went up to 2.1. This was at about 32, right? So are we going to see a challenge at 32? Well, according to this, yes and yes. And of course, this was driven by the fact that we have finally solved, or not us, we don't have a problem with that, right? The US has finally solved its debt crisis problem, debt ceiling problem, okay? So even, yeah, look at this S&P 500. There's good news going on everywhere. And that is what I am worried about. And I'll show you why I'm worried about afterwards. So let's see the news here. The strangest unemployment report for some time. US workers aren't staying at their own jobs. Bearish bets against S&P 500 are surging despite love for big tech. Okay, that's good. So people are already shows character change, Tesla, Apple in focus. So it's all about those favorite stocks again, right? Those big tech and all of that. Yeah, everyone's feeling bullish now. Now, with everyone feeling bullish and this problem seemingly being solved, I will tell you my worries, okay? Having said that, I think it still has room to run. Okay, I'm going to see the charts afterwards. So debt ceiling. Debt ceiling. Let's see the debt ceiling. Resolved. Biden has signed it off. Hill's big win. Big win signs debt ceiling bill into law, averting default 2025, which is good. Which is good. That means there won't be any politicking about this until 2025. Although, guys, although they'll be politicking in Malaysia, that's a different story. Our ringgit has gone down, okay? That's a different story. Okay, so let's look at the charts now. And let me see my timer. Okay, one moment. I got to see my timer because I'm going to put this on TikTok. Follow my TikTok down there. Right? Follow my TikTok, Crypto Vader X. I try to put like 2 points in every one of these. This is now 21 days. So let's go here and let's go to the chart. I know you like the charts, right? You love these charts. This is SPY, the EF for this is, whoa, look at that. It's broken up. I know. We're going to see more detail on. Don't worry, guys. don't worry, we are going to see more detail on this soon. And look at the Nas. Oh, it is gone with the moon. So if you look at all the charts here, I understand that everyone's bullish. See the NASDAQ literally breaking out. You see the S&P breaking out, bull, 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 bull. The next level here, right? Look, it's almost there already. This is another sign for a breakout. It looks like we are breaking out of the bear market, okay? And this bear market, look, the problem is this, okay? The problem I find is this. Only 5 stocks, including NVIDIA, account for 96% of the S&P 500 gains this year. That, to me, is already a red flag. The next thing is, if you guys want to know, this was because the debt ceiling was basically solved. What does debt ceiling solve means? It means the U.S. doesn't have money. It means the U.S. has to print more treasury bills, right? What does that mean, guys? The U.S. is going debt. Look at the U.S. treasury balance. That's not good. They're going to have to print U.S. Treasury bills. But wait, they've crashed the bank there, right? So who's going to buy? Are you guys going to buy U.S. Treasury bills? Are you kidding me? So we have another problem here. This is your consent. Look at what Balaji said. Who is going to buy the U.S. Treasury bills? Look at that. Central bank purchases of gold. And look at that. Is going up. While the purchases of U.S. Treasury bills is going down. Something's got to give. Why in the world would you want to buy U.S. Treasury bills in this situation? Can you tell me why? I mean, who would do that when you know that buying U.S. Treasury bills basically cause the banks to go in problems? Now, the thing is, for people to buy U.S. Treasury bills, guess what? Things have to be bearish. Things have to be bearish, guys, and that is something that I am not easy about this market. Okay, like I see all this, I'm not comfortable. I'm just seeing something hitting here and maybe going down. Okay, that's just my worry now. So let's go here. Let's go to the charts here. I know the charts look really, really right. Draw it any other way. Let's draw it another way. This is SPY. It's the same as the S&P 500. Look here. Look here. Here we have this here about to break out. This is such a key area about to break out here. Even when we draw any other way, it's already going out again. And even if it goes like that, of course, this is not a good drawing. Let me draw again. Of course, if it starts going like that, guess what? Something here, 4, yeah, about there, right? So it all points here for us to struggle. Now, before that, I'm also looking at this as a potential reversal point. As I said, who's going to buy the U.S. Treasury bills? Really? Because, you know, that's kind of like this, right? That's kind of like risk-off instrument, right? So I'm really looking for these levels here. But in order for me to put in a short or whatever, or in order for me to get bearish, I would also like to see this guy here. I also like to see this guy here, basically this, one moment here, right? One moment here. I'm just getting this thing out. Oh, no, this is not working. Okay, I'm just getting this out. I would like to see the fear and greed index here go here. So again, I am putting in my bear hat here. I don't look at bear, I don't look at bull, but I'm worried. So I'm waiting for it to go here. And then if it struggles here, bang, 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 bang. Okay. Okay. And that's just what I'm going to do here. Look at that. Okay. Even this. And the weird thing about this market now, you see the NASDAQ now being bullish, like super, super bullish because of the 5 stocks here, right? There are only 5 stocks. Okay, guys, look at this. This is going to be really weird, which is why I don't really trust this kind of thing like 100%, right? I don't trust this like 100%. And I'm going to explain to you why. This looks like a scam. Okay, this was like a total scam to get people invested in. Guys, no worries. I've been making money buying the NASDAQ. Okay, you know, following coach and all that for you guys who are following coach. It's been great. It's been awesome, actually. Okay, but I also have to take into consideration. Just look at this. The S&P 500 is flying. Everything is flying. But you cannot deny this, okay? You cannot deny this. The fact is that only 5 stocks, including NVIDIA, account for 96% of the S&P's 500 gains. How in the world is this sustainable? Like Apple, Microsoft, Google, Amazon, NVIDIA. If one of these should fail, hey, the market is going to be in trouble. If 2 of these should fail, it's going to be in big trouble, okay? So look, Apple stock 35%, Microsoft 39%, Alphabet 41%, Amazon 43%, NVIDIA 176%. And NVIDIA is like a meme stock. It's great. Don't get the idea. It's great. But I just need a pullback before I go all in, okay? The other thing is this. Yes, I know everything is very good here, so I'm just going to be ready for that pullback. And the other thing is I just want to show you the cycle here of the S&P 500, June. I don't like that. I don't like that at all. Pullback, and then we go up, okay? That's what I'm expecting for the S&P 500. Now, let's look at crypto. I'm more positive on crypto. Again, why am I positive on crypto? Because again, we've seen before, right? Whenever the US gets into trouble or during a risk-off situation that kind of involves money, guess what? Bitcoin goes up. Bitcoin goes up, right? Crypto goes up. So that's good. Together with gold. That's fine. Together with gold. So kind of like that. Let's go and see what's happening in Cointelegraph.com now. Okay, Cointelegraph, what's happening? Atomic Wallet exploited. What is Atomic Wallet? Do I have Atom? Whoa, Atomic Wallet app vanished. I don't know what Atomic Wallet is. What is this? You guys know what this is? Not so sure what this is. I'd like to know what that is, okay? Really would love to know what that is. Let's see other news here. Okay, alleged price manipulation. Sure, hey guys, we love Elon Musk, right? We love Elon Musk. Price manipulation is up to him as long as we make money. Look, Bitcoin big move due in July after March 30K push. Let's see this latest analysis. And next week, we're going to see something on Bitcoin because I do not want you guys to be confused. So what does it say here? Busy perfectly mimicking its moves after the March 2020 crash. Okay, consolidation could end by July. New research optimism of a breakout. And look at it here. QCP Capital reveal a Bitcoin bullish bias on both Bitcoin and Ether. Yeah, when's Ether going to 45,000? I don't know, or 5,000 first, right? Last cycle was 5,000, so 26. So we've been between 26 and 31. Everyone is bullish. Change, of course, as soon as the end of the month. United States debt ceiling sideshow vanishing, leaving Bitcoin closely mimicking its consolidation and breakout phase from 2020. Okay, so they're following the same fractals. We can now return to our regular programming of proper macro and crypto narratives. Price levels may be different, but the underlying behavior is the same in 23 as the start of the COVID-19 pandemic, okay? So at that time, Federal Reserve unleashed, okay, look at this. This is what I think will happen too, okay? Let's look at this. Giant 4 trillion worth of liquidity. Now, I mentioned now that maybe that this sudden borrowing of treasuries or selling of treasuries, right, will cause a problem or will cause the economy to crash or whatever because there are no banks to buy it. Now, that will cause a risk-off situation. The economy will break. And what happens when the economy breaks? Liquidity comes in, Bitcoin goes up. That kind of makes sense. So we are on, so look, verge of a massive breakdown below 5K, but then it came back very fast there. And then what is the next play? Oh, look at this. Let's read this, guys. Let's read this. This is very interesting. Should the relationship here, let's go with this, continue to play out, the match phase is obvious, a dramatic exit trading range with positioning for long options plays. Interesting. So the consolidation phase had played out perfectly so far. We expect we are soon coming close to something as well. As a result, we recommend positioning for an upcoming big move, long 3 million and 6 month. And okay, that's a strangle here with a bias to the long side. So look at this. We are here. Interesting. So they kind of here, right? So June, what's here? What is here? seasonal volatility, where volatility goes up. Look, July is volatility up, chup, 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 chup. Means they are expecting the price to go up. That's fair. If they want the price to go up, hey, I'm happy if they want price to go up. Okay, so but we also have to ensure that, you know, this kind of agrees with this has to agree with what other people are also seeing. This has to agree with the macro market, right? So it does make sense if this kind of problems in the US, from then having to raise money by selling treasury bonds, gets a risk off, and the US then has to stimulate the economy. But not only that, okay, not only that, I also tend to agree because this is also agreeable with this cycle analysis that we had here. Let's see the cycle analysis here, right? I love this cycle analysis. Definitely the S&P is on its way up, but look here, I love this. You gotta love this. This is the S&P here. Look here. Zoom. Okay, zoom. July. Hey, July. Hello, July. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Okay, the trip to the moon basically starts here, and that's what I'm looking. Okay, so I'm kind of looking for the market to like bump up like this, bump down, and then we go off again. And look at this bump here in July, and look at this bump in early December. Makes sense to me. Makes sense to me. Now, another thing that I also want to see here, well, that's my chart. Look, everything is like in alignment now, right? But let's see here. I want to go here and say S&P 500 bull market. Okay, has the bull market started? I found this article earlier today. Let's see whether we can see it here. News bear market exit. Look at this, guys. Look at this. This is interesting. It's nearing a bear market exit already. Longest stretch in bear territory since 1948. Can you believe it? We had the longest stretch. Hey, you're still surviving. You guys are still there. Hey, guys, just give a big clap to you guys, okay? Just give a big clap to everyone, because everyone deserves this, okay? Big break, guys. This is a big break for everyone here, okay? So, hey, guys, come on, guys. Just give a clap to you guys, okay? Why don't you guys give a clap to you guys, okay? So we just went to the longest one. Can you believe it? The longest one. Now, when I say that I'm not bullish, I'm not bearish. I just need to see a pullback. And then I needed to break that level that you saw just now, right? So what are we saying here? 61, 1.5%, 4282, its highest level since August 18, 2022. Of course, we had another signal in June, right? Surprisingly robust May jobs report and all. The S&P had been in a bear market for 244 trading days, the longest run since that one ended on May 15, 1948. You guys weren't born yet. 484 historically, 142 days. Guys, if you are still surviving here, if you are listening to me, pat yourselves on the back, because you just made it 100 days after that cycle. Okay, not going all in yet, but yeah, this is just awesome, guys. Look at that. It broke this. Okay, it basically broke this resistance here. Would become law this afternoon, fueling wagers, 70 favoring the outcome. Okay, so again, what does it say here? 11.5% to date. As I said here, this is the worry here. NVIDIA, Alphabet, Google, Apple. So it is very easy to play tricks on us. Remember this. It is very easy to play a trickeroony on us, get us to invest, and then suddenly get us to like panic, right? Panic sell, and then they push it back up again because it's only 5 stocks. Any kind of massive sell-off on these 5 stocks will just destroy the S&P 500. That's good. I'm looking for that opportunity as long as it's able to hold key levels to go back in. Yes, the charts clearly show bullish. The technicals clearly show bullish as we are clearing that bear market cycle, longest since 1948. And the seasonals also show bullish. It's been bullish, 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 and the S&P 500. Any uptick in the S&P, the good thing about crypto is this, okay? Again, the good thing about crypto is this, as I said, and we're going to go on crypto more next week, is this. If S&P is up, BTC goes up. If S&P hits a problem, this is a problem because that involves financials, okay? That involves financial. Look at what happened to the banking crisis, okay? Look at what happened to the US banking crisis. Now, if there is a treasury crisis, yes, we could have problems, which is a US problem. Guess what? Bitcoin, I would say, will also go up because it's a safe haven. So the good thing about Bitcoin, it's also good to be in Bitcoin, okay? So in Bitcoin, I am also waiting for a small correction and then up. In fact, I'm more bullish on Bitcoin than S&P 500, but I just wanted to show you the overall picture. Okay, guys, any questions before we go for today? Hope you had a good time. Any questions? Any questions? And next week, we will see Bitcoin, more on Bitcoin. Again, follow my TikTok. And I am going to put 2 portions here that I said just now that I think are very important. TLDR. And here we go. And we'll put it on TikTok. It'll be on the TikTok up there. Crypto Vader X _ OE. Okay, because that even having my TikTok is also a good strategy for having this. And okay, please join the dots and also join Jama'ah that Vader. Okay, oh, I didn't put it here. Sorry, guys. I should put it here. There are 2 Telegram groups that you want to join here because I am having a free class on AI, Mid-Journey, and all that, and also ChatGPT on Sunday. Basically, how I'm going to use it to make money in crypto. Okay, so you can go here. This is the dots. This is the Malay channel. Or you can go into the English channel here, and the links will be there. I hope to see you there. Again, TikTok is also my strategy to make money in crypto. No, I know I'm weird, but also in addition to that, my other strategy in making money in crypto is also on this, right? It's also on, hey, guess what? English is also on AI. Definitely, guys, because I think AI is really going to be the meta that is going to drive this next crypto cycle to the moon. I got the first one right. I got the second one right. And damn, I think I got the third one right. This is the third cycle for me. So you have 2, wait, you have 2 there, t.me, JDB Forex. Okay, guys, any questions? Just go there. The links for the class on Sunday is going to be there. Hope to see you guys there soon. So the TLDR that I will put in the Crypto Vader. Let me put the Crypto Vader link here for TikTok is this. The first thing, I'm just going to, again, show you the charts again that I did, but I'm really not convinced because of the things that are happening in the US. Again, the US doesn't have much money. That's why they are going to have to borrow. And in order to borrow, I'm just questioning who's going to buy your treasuries. Your treasuries are like toxic. Like, who's going to buy it? Okay, who's going to buy it? So in order for people to buy, things have to be risk off. There has to be a correction, and then people are scared, and then people buy that, right? And that's one. The next thing is I also look at a lot of suspicion at this S&P rally. Yes, I've been loving buying the NASDAQ. It's kind of weird. The Dow can go down and the NASDAQ can go up. So really, really weird, but I love it. But my worry is that there could be a trickster here somewhere, somebody trying to fool you and me somewhere, a little bit of fooling us before they really drive the market up again, is that only 5 stocks are responsible for 96% of the gain. It's an easy manipulable market. And if you know, this is summer, right? In the US, there's a summer holiday. If you guys don't remember, in the States, there's a summer holiday. Fund managers go on holiday. Could be thin markets. It can move very volatile. So I hope you guys are able to stay safe, guys. Okay, that's it for now. Any questions? Any questions? And follow my TikTok. I will leave the TLDRs in there in the English channel, guys. Okay, guys. Any questions? Any questions? Who has questions? Just like and share this. Like and share this. So, you know, again on Wednesday, on TikTok, on the Malay TikTok, actually, and also on the English this, right, is also on the English channel. We're gonna have my live trading where I do live trading so that people can see how I do live trading in a weird kind of way. A lot of people don't know how we do it. The guys in the class know how we do it. Anyway, I am gonna see you guys on Wednesday, guys. Again, I am bullish. I'm just a little bit cautious. Sayonara. Bye.